Alright, what's up everybody? I'm here today with the Armor Works Custom. This is the split frame high CAPA. Now, not a true unboxing because I've had this thing out of the box before, but kind of shows you exactly what you're going to get with it, so you know what to expect. So number one, the magazine that comes with this, very nice, very heavy duty, it's steel. So far, I've probably put about 2,000 rounds through this gun as well as this magazine, and I haven't had any issues. As for the gun itself, it's super nice. I mean, it's very clean looking. The anodized aluminum is a nice touch, blue-red. This is the Patriot design. It's got a lot of really nice chrome features on there as well. Trigger is comfortable. From the factory, this gun was set up really nicely. It shoots really well. It's got a nice hop up. I will say that one improvement I would note right away is the piston in the back right here. Just a little cheap from the factory. So upgrading that, would be something that I do right away. In fact, I've already ordered mine. So the feel of this gun, very heavy duty, looks very classy. If you guys want to take a look on the inside there, just really nice components, really nice parts. It does have the flared mag well, so it's easy to reload. Hammer, weighted, everything is very professionally designed on this. So it has full fiber optic sights, as you guys can see it on the front there. So something to note, this does shoot 316 feet per second out of the box, okay? It does have some times where it'll creep down around like 298 depending on gas situation, but you can say this is a low 300s gun. Now Angel Custom makes an upgrade kit for this. It'll actually, you can do 130% power or 150% power, as well as you can do short stroke. Now I short stroked my own. You will see that my slide catch does not work, and that's because I simply put spacer in the front, trimmed the spring down a little bit, and I short stroked mine. It's not to the max, but it's pretty short, and it's a lot faster that way. So overall, I'd say for a $158 gun, you're not gonna go wrong with this. It is beefy, it is built really well, it shoots accurately. There's my awesome short stroke mechanism, patented. Right there, that's actually your hop-up dial. Some people say that when you're trying to adjust this, it creeps while you're shooting. I have, again, not had that problem. So just so you know, hop-up on this is really nice. Split slide action is really nice. The whole gun just shoots phenomenal, really, especially at the price point. So for 158 bucks, it's a no-brainer. Quick teardown. Take a look at this. Look how easy that is. Drop that back. I would highly recommend this, especially at this price point. Now, it does come with a threaded barrel in the end, so you take the orange tip off and you can screw a silencer on here. I have a tracer unit for mine that I'll talk about in later videos, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up if you're thinking of ordering it. It's not the fastest shooter in the world, but with a few modifications, you've got a very solid chassis here, very upgradable. So just a few things to think about. All right, thanks again for watching, guys. Please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Enable your notifications. That way when I release the latest content, you guys are alerted. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you next time.